What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get unbanned on PayPal, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, let's say you got banned on PayPal and you need to get unbanned. What you need to do? So there are a couple of ways and we're gonna go through them now. So first of all, you can have some limitations on your account. So a limited account means that you won't be able to do certain things with your PayPal account. For example, you might not be able to send or withdraw money. Usually they ask you to complete some steps to remove your account limitations. You need to go to Resolution Center or click the bell icon in the top of your dashboard for your info. If all the steps are completed and your account remains limited, it either means they already reviewed your account and send you an email asking for more info, or they are still reviewing the information you provided. So if you're required to upload documents, review their tips for submitting documents. The time it takes to resolve an account limitation depends on the complexity of your specific case. In most cases, their customer service can't remove your limitation over the phone. Please wait and contact them. If you receive an email stating your account is limited but don't see a limitation in the resolution center, you might have received a fake email. Forward it to phishing at paypal.com and they'll investigate it for you. After you forward the email, delete it from your inbox. If you clicked any links or downloaded any attachment, log into your account and view your payments. It's also a good idea to change your password. So what if you got banned? So first of all, as you can see, possibly you were underage and PayPal banned your account. So if you were underage, this was against PayPal's terms and conditions, so you have to create a new account. And basically, guys, the most common answer, no one can fix that or offer any solutions basically. So the most common answer is to telephone PayPal support. However, at the time such a call may be a futile. Through you can keep trying. Try contacting PayPal support using social media such as Facebook or Twitter, as this works more often than telephoning. So basically guys, if you got banned, the best way is go and seek help from PayPal customer support. So basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Goodbye.